To make rava dosha, you need finely chopped big onion. Then finely chopped tomato after removing its juicy part. 1 cup suji rava. It is better to use roasted rava. Next we need 1 cup rice powder. Next we need crushed pepper, finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped ginger and some curry leaves. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of rava and 1 cup of finely powdered rice. Next add half cup of maida. Note that if you want more quantity, you can change the quantity as per your wish. You can add more cup of maida, suji rava and rice powder. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt. If you want to add more, you can add. As per your preference, you can add more salt, or you can add 2 teaspoon of salt. Next add finely chopped green chilies, finely chopped ginger and crushed pepper into the mixing bowl. If you want more spicy, you can add more green chilies and pepper also. Next add finely chopped tomato into the mixing bowl. Next add finely chopped big onion. Now add some water to the mixture and mix it well. Now add little bit of water to the mixture, and at the same time you will notice a lot of lumps in the batter. Again add some water. This process should be continued till all lumps are mashed, which means till medium consistency. This consistency should be again loosened before pouring into the pan, and keep the batter aside for half an hour. Take a transparent glass. Into the glass add 5 tablespoons of batter. Onto that add some water and mix it well so that the consistency of the batter will be more loose. As seen in the video, this is the right consistency for the batter. Next, heat the non-stick pan in a medium flame and pour the batter as seen in the video. You can spread the batter by using a spoon. Next, spread the dosha with the oil mixed with the ghee. You can cook it in both ways. Either you can flip dosha or you can fold it after the side gets separated from the pan. One thing to be noted that rava dosha requires more time to cook. That is around 5 minutes to cook one side, while other doshas require less time to cook. Flip the dosha with 2 spatula. After it is cooked, you can carefully transfer your dosha into a serving platter. Next, you can cook the dosha in restaurant style. For that, you need not flip the dosha. You can fold the dosha when sides get separated from the pan. Note, by using 2 spatulas, you can fold the dosha. Now you can sprinkle the ghee which is mixed with oil on the top of the dosha. Once it is cooked for 5 minutes, or when the sides of the dosha get separated from the pan, you can carefully fold your dosha by using two spatula and carefully transfer it to a plate. So we are going to taste the rava ghee roast. Superb taste. And your tasty rava dosha is ready.